Hey friends, it's Becky Bridgham, and I'm here to show you some of our travel solutions that are available on sale this month. So 31, we have solutions for everything, and you're gonna see some of those on this event. We have things to organize your home, things to eat healthy, things to organize your car, things to make your kids stop bugging you for snacks, right? We have solutions, and that's why I love 31, because we have products that you're gonna use and you're gonna love. Today, I'm gonna show you travel. Why? Because it's on sale, and everybody loves the sale. So, a couple products, I'm gonna go through them really quick, because I know everyone is pressed for time. One of our items that's on sale that is my absolute favorite is our duffel bag. So this is my husband's that he uses, perfect for overnight trips, weekend trips, as a carry-on you could use it. My favorite feature of the whole thing is this outside pocket that zips up, and it's designed to keep your shoes separate from your clothes or your wet clothes. Say you're a swimmer and you want to keep your wet stuff away from your dry stuff, this pocket is perfect for that. So the shoes just slip right in. I'll tell you, I can fit a pair of boots, a pair of flip-flops, and a pair of sneakers in here. So little booties. Love this bag. It is on sale this month in March on special. So the way that the specials work are for every $35 you spend, you get a product on special. It's 50% off, I believe, and this is our duffel, one of the products on sale. So I'm gonna show you just a couple other things. Our new Away We Go Weekender, this is also on sale. This is a new bag, same idea, great for carry-on, great for overnight, but it's got a little bit different shape. It's also a little bit, I would say, like on the classier side if you wanted to carry it to the pool. You could use it as a work bag. It's got tons of room. It's canvas, so it's gonna wash easy, and it's super cute. Also on sale. Then I'm gonna show you some of my favorite hacks that are also on sale. So our travel hanging organizer, this is what I use. I'm gonna show you the 3 bags that I use every time I travel. This is the hanging traveler, and this is where I keep all my shampoo, all my, like my razor, my deodorant, anything that I need in the bathroom with me, that goes here, and this just hangs up, right? But I also have 2 more bags. I have 2 of the family fold-up organizers, which are both on sale. That bag and this bag also on sale. This is where I used to keep my makeup. So all my makeup goes in here. What I do is when I pack for a trip, I put my makeup on that day and I just stick it right in here. So then this just folds up, ready to go. And then I also have the same exact product, but I use it for my jewelry. So I don't wear a lot of jewelry, but I like to bring some with me just in case. So I keep my bracelets, my extra necklaces, all organized in here. And this is also small enough that if you have something expensive or even medicine that you don't want to check in your luggage for fear of it getting lost or taken, this is small enough that it can fit in your carry-on. So that, and then my favorite travel hack of all time is our cinch sack. This is a really simple product. It's like $20. What I do every time I travel is I take and I put my shoes, if I'm using luggage and not the duffel, I keep my shoes in this bag on the way there, so in my luggage, the shoes go in here. Then when I get there, I take these out, I wear them, I put all my laundry in here. So when I come home, all my laundry's in here, ready to go right into the washing machine, and I don't have to worry so much about my shoes getting my clothes dirty because they're already dirty in here. Okay, so the last bag I'm gonna show you is not on sale, but it's a personal favorite. It's brand new. It's called our Adventures Backpack, okay? I just got it in the mail, so it still has the tags on it. The thing I wanted to show you about this is it's super cute, okay? It's very functional. This is what I'm most looking forward to this because I have been traveling a ton lately and I use a shoulder bag, like a around town tote, which is awesome. But once I put my laptop in there and my binder and my planner and my water bottle, it gets a little heavy. So I'm super looking forward to using this for my next trip, that I can carry it on my back and hands-free and also distribute some of the weight. But a couple features. So it looks kind of small because it's all squished because I haven't really used it yet. But when you open it up, I will tell you, this sucker can hold a lot of stuff. It has this like metal bar here that opens up to a rectangle. It's also has some pouches in here to keep your water bottle standing up. It's also be a great diaper bag. It's got some straps in there. But best feature of all, it has a thermal pocket. So you might not be able to see that, but if you're traveling and you want to bring some snacks, some cheese sticks, some yogurt, put an ice pack in there, and you are good to go. Also a pocket on the front and 2 side pockets for your water bottle. This is one of my personal favorites. I think it's gonna be one of my personal favorites as I start using it. It's brand new this spring. Check it out. Go on the party link and get your order in, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.